Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to create new board in Trello. It's pretty simple and easy. First of all, make sure to log in with your right credentials. After that, go to this grid top left corner and then go to Trello. It will redirect you to this page. After that, you have two ways to create a board. Either you scroll down and click create a new board from your workspace here, or you can see besides the search bar, create, click it, and then click create board. You can choose the background. I'll leave it simple. The board name or title is required here, for example test, and here you must choose a workspace. If you don't have a workspace, make sure to create one before you do this. After that, the visibility is pretty important. So for private, it's accessible only for the members you add. For the workspace, it's accessible for all members of the workspace you added, which is the working team here. For the public, it's accessible all over the internet. Anyone who's using Trello can view it, so don't use this option unless you want to share a project in public. So I'm going to choose workspace here. After that, you click create. As you can see here, we have successfully created the board. Now you have to enter a list name. I'm going to show you how to add a list name in the next video. For now, that's it. Hope this video is helpful. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next one.